Hey y'all, welcome to the Trash Puppy channel. This is your host, The Download. Here we dive into financial investments, cryptocurrency, conspiracy theories, and honestly, anything else I want to talk about. If you like the content, do me a solid and hit subscribe. I'm laughing because Tonix, ticker symbol TNXP, is running right now. This is an extremely volatile stock. In the last 30 minutes while I'm trying to do this video, it's gone down 10% and now it's up another 10. So hold on to your seats. Buckle up. Anyways, today's video is about Tonix Pharmaceutical, ticker symbol TNXP. Think of this as a follow-up to my last one. It's a sequel or a part two of sorts. I like to keep my content short, under 10 minutes, because no one wants to hear investment talk for longer than that. Before we dive into TNXP, let's address some broader market trends. The Fed's cut interest rates yesterday, and there was a broader sell-off in the market. I believe there's been too much irrational exuberance lately in the market, and it's extremely oversold. So with seasoned investors like Warren Buffett sitting on the sidelines with large amount of cash, it's clear there's concern about a potential correction, and I think it's coming. Warren Buffett, he has so much cash, he could buy MicroStrategy. Wouldn't that be great for all the crypto fans? Just something to think about. Despite the market sell-off, you can see TNXP is holding up quite well. I like this upside down action, this sideways action, because it means the market is trying to make its decision about this particular company. And today we're going to talk about more reasons why I love this company. And it involves RFK Jr., Project 2025, Dragon Ball Z, and of course, all the other boring financial stuff and product related news that the other channels have already covered. I'm going to cover them anyways. Let's start with the valuations. Currently, Tonix Pharmaceutical is extremely undervalued at $49 million. With a valuation of $49 million and a revenue multiple for average pharma companies at 6 to 8x, you would anticipate an annual revenue of $7 million. And looking at their income statement, oh, look, they made $7.5 million in only 9 months. I believe in 2024, they'll top the 11 million sales mark, which would raise their multiple and their company valuation, even 6x or 7x, to $70, $80 million. I believe this is 50% of their actual valuation. I think the stock is going to $2. And the number two reason is I am so impressed with how fast TNXP and their leadership brought their product to treat fibromyalgia to market. Okay, the average drug cycle, as I discussed yesterday, it takes around high-end 20 years, low-end 10 years. And it costs $1.2 billion on average. A pharma company is a lot like a video game company. They make their initial investments, and once the product goes to market, it literally costs them nothing to print it, to make it. And everything is margin. And with a 10 million US adult addressable market for fibromyalgia, including famous celebs like Lady Gaga, Morgan Freeman, this company was able to deliver this drug in less time with less money. How much less money? Well, I'm going back to their financials and looking at their cash flow statement, which I have right here. They were bleeding around $50 million. So they were able to push not only the fibromyalgia drug out to FDA approval, but their other research and spending roughly $500 to $600 million. So they're very good at what they do. But like I said, the Trash Puppy channel is all about celestial cycles, influencing market cycles, and where the stars meet the stocks. So this is the crazy thing. With an upcoming Trump administration, it's a very friendly administration. They believe in more competition and shielding. Oh, right here. What I have up, it's Project 2025. And in spite of President Trump's rhetoric around distancing himself from this document, most of his appointments and decisions and things that he's talked about came directly from the document. So you figure it out. Page 489 of Project 2025, it talks about new laws shielding big pharma from competition. Well, this is a great advantage for Tonix Pharmaceutical because now these big opioids producing companies that are hurting our population can pay off the FDA to not push Tonix Pharma products through. In fact, I believe that their drug that treats fibromyalgia will get pushed through the FDA much faster because of right here what it says in Project 2025. Also, what else I really like about the current Trump administration is their appointment to the chief health position in the U.S. And it's none other than who else? RFK Jr. And RFK, he's kind of kooky, but if you look at the Project 2025 document, you'll see there's a lot of investments in the area of kinetic energy. But there's a lot of rhetoric in this particular document around kinetic energy. There it is. It happens around 4 times. And if you go to the 10K for Tonix Pharma, it mentions the same type of study, kinetic energy. And what is kinetic energy? It's the transfer of energy. Kind of like the stuff they do in the anime Dragon Ball Z, one of my favorite animes. So it sounds crazy, but the stars are aligned for Tonix Pharma. Get in now, and you'll be happy when it hits $2. Okay. Lastly, guess what Chinese Zodiac sign he is? RFK Jr., I did some research. He's born in 1954, which makes him a wood horse as well. Just like gentleman I mentioned yesterday in my video, Mr. Sullivan from Tonix Pharmaceutical. So the wood horse for 2025, if you're a wood horse in Chinese Zodiac, 2025 will be a very auspicious year for you, and you'll experience tremendous amount of success. Same as Tonix Pharmaceutical. You heard it here first on the Trash Puppy channel, TNXP. It's already up 10% for the day. Signing off.